Hello guys, it's been a long time since the last video. Today we have something truly special. New Avantasia album, a Paranormal Evening with the Moonflower Society is out today. So, just a couple minutes ago it came. So, I want to unbox it with you. I also wanted to do the unboxing for the new Behemoth album, but I was really sick and I just didn't feel like doing anything, so I didn't make a video on that one. But I'm not sick now, so we're gonna take a look at this for sure. So let's get rid of the box and of the come on. So here it is in its full glory, beautiful and shiny. This is the front and here's the back. I love the fonts, like each song has a different font. I think it looks really cool. So let's get rid of the plastic once again. Okay, let's see what's inside. I'm really curious. So of course we've got disc 1 and 2. I think the second disc is the instrumental versions of the songs. Here we have our Moonflower Society little picture. So let's open this up. Yeah, some forward. And here's all the band members and singers. Welcome to the wow, that's cool. That's really cool. Welcome to the Shadows. I like it. Wow. The Wicked Rule the Night. That was the single. The first single. Just like with Moonglow, the design, the animations, the illustrations are spectacular. Wow. Misplaced Among the Angels, that's the ballad with Floriansen from Night Vision. It's an absolutely beautiful song. I Tamed the Storm. Wow. Yeah, the Moonflower Society, another single. Rhyme and Reason. Okay, it's a bit darker than Moonglow because it's mostly like dark black and white art, but it looks beautiful. Oh, Arabesque. This seems to be a long one because look at all the lyrics. And here we have some interviews, paper plane, score, and probably handwritten lyrics or some notes. Not sure. Hey, I like this. Okay, some more interviews about the production and stuff. I'm definitely gonna read it tonight while listening to the album. Now this is a perfect example of what an earbook should look like, because this is just pure perfection, and Tobias just knows how to design this stuff and how to make it feel valuable. Yep. The end. Definitely looks epic, and can't wait to listen to it tonight. So I'll see you when the next video is out, which is who knows when, but stay safe until then. And don't forget to support music, buy tickets, buy CDs, buy vinyls, and enjoy the hell out of it. Bye.